How to open a Chase business account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can open up a Chase business account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to open up a business account rather than a personal account for your Chase bank, visit chase.com. At the very top left of the screen you'll find personal, business and commercial. Since you are trying to create a business account, simply go to the option called business. Once you're here on the business option, you will see Chase for business options. You will see all the features related to your business account, and just to apply for it you have to simply select any sort of accounts that you want over here. So from this page what we are going to do is, you can see learn more, continue and so on. So first of all you say you are looking for what, a checkings or savings account, or what kind of account that you want. I will select a checkings or savings account. To, let's say, to get my business started or help run my or expand my business, so just depending upon which option you're comfortable, select that and then click on show me my solutions. It will give you all of the type of account that are available, like performance business account, platinum business account, business premier savings, and all of the type of account. And just to fill it out you have to simply select that particular account that you want to fill out. I would recommend that you do a proper research before you select a certain account. There are plenty of resources available out there, and once you're here you will simply be able to select open an account option and fill out the information of your business, your documents, tax information and so on to open up your business account. And I hope that this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.